Can you wear prescription glasses for drawing to improve your skills? Visual artists rely on several capacities of sight when drawing. When you draw in a physical or digital format, you use a unique combination of optical capabilities related to focus and perspective. To recognize the importance of good vision for drawing, it can be helpful to learn more about how your eyes process visual information and govern output from your hand. Depending on whether you draw with traditional art supplies or a digital device, you may want to consider getting prescription glasses for drawing that have single vision, bifocal, multifocal, or progressive lenses. Prescription lenses can improve any wearer's ability to focus when close, intermediate, or far distances. Close and intermediate ranges of sight are most important for drawing, during which the length of an arm tends to be the longest distance between your eyes and your work on the page or a digital display. Want to learn more about drawing? KnowledgeableMind.com